5-2 Jet.
Yeah, so this is my office. Welcome to my office.
Empire 2-1, Josh approach, on Lake altimeter 2962. Radar contact a mile west of the Gun Lake Airport, and on your way out, you're cleared on Trevor.
Alright, so some questions from yesterday. If you weren't a fighter pilot, what would I be doing? You know...
Viper 3 knows departure, IDEF, they requested altitude.
Viper 3 flash, climbing 16.5.
Viper 3 radar contact over the racetrack. And Viper 3 reset transponder, squawk 4764.
Viper.
That's kind of an interesting question. For me, I never always wanted to be a fighter pilot, but my passion kind of developed halfway through high school for both doing the military and flying. You know, believe it or not, before I wanted to do that, I wanted to be a video game designer because I am a Mega nerd. So, you know, I think the important thing to say here is that
Step up, check.
regardless of where you come from in life, be it, you know, doing sports growing up.
Trevor, up, check 1 is 2933, 10 9, 10 speed.
2932, 10-5 feet.
Playing video games growing up, reading books, whatever you choose to do or choose to like. Any type of person can be a fighter pilot. It really just takes three things: hands, head, and heart. And the hands just come after time. So attitude and effort are what it takes to be good at anything in life, let alone being a fighter pilot. And if you just keep at it and fight for what your passions are.
Roger, Viper 1, airborne passing 2000 for 15.5.
Viper 1 knows departure, IDEF.
You can get to this spot. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess the message for all of that is to say that, you know, regardless of where you come from in life, if you fight hard enough and make someone else tell you no in life to the things that you want to do, then at least when you grow up and get past those moments in your life, you won't regret, and you won't ask yourself the question of what if I did that. So yeah, fight for your dreams, fight for your passions, and you can get there. But yeah, long story short, if I wasn't a fighter pilot, I would be a video game designer. You might be able to see off to the right here. I'm not sure if you can or not, but this is Isabella Lake. So this is the start of one of our routes that we fly out here in Las Vegas. Second.
Look how low the water is.
Look up.
Oh, the reservoir, no water.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's super low. Alright, I've been Flip. Thanks for flying with me today. We'll see you next time. Peace.